Welcome to the Tech Security Alert channel, and this is a quick video to talk about a update that is important to apply for security. If you are a user of the Google Chrome web browser, please apply the update that has arrived. It's a new version of Google Chrome that is arrived. We're now at Chrome 91, and to make sure that you have the latest version, you simply go on the upper right in the dots, go into Help, go into About Google Chrome, not the Help Center, About Google Chrome, and you will have this version moved up to 91.0.4472.77. This contains 32 security updates. So that's a lot of security updates. Out of those updates, 8 of them are high priority updates. That means that they're easy to exploit in a way when you go on the web. They actually, if they're not already exploited by bad guys, it's going to now be the case, because now that hackers will know where to look for security flaws, they'll be actively doing this. So to stay safe, staying safe on a computer, on a device, has to do with a lot of things, including security updates. So it's important to make sure that you actually stay safe with your browser, since it's one of the first lines of defense from the internet, basically. So Google Chrome, if you want to see or know more about the features that it adds, go to my Windows and Computer channel. So this is a new update, and it is packed with a lot of security. Once again, just to show you guys, if you have this, if you want to have this update, go to Google Chrome, go to the upper right corner in the 3 vertical dots, Help, About Google Chrome, and you will be moved to 91.0.4472.77 today, Wednesday, May the 26th, 2021. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.